Please buy
There's a guy behind mine.
Please buy the record so I can stop working.
He wrote the song, and he totally hit it right in the bullseye because it's all about us. It's all about our Teddy Boy family, right? So this song is about it all, and he wrote it down for us. It's called Teddy Boy Family.
Well, it's a Teddy Boy family. It's a Teddy Boy family. It's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock, who's there? Well, we came into this family 42 years ago. Put on my great coat suits. Well, and start playing our shows. Now we're traveling around the globe. Oh, playing for our friends. Feel so good, we don't know that it don't never end. Oh, it's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. It's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. It's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. Rock, rock. Who's there? With the guys in the band. We got lots of fun. Well, we come from different places. While we sing that famous song. Well, rock and roll is here to stay, and we never want to stop. When they put us on the ground, our coffin still will rock. Well, it's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. It's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. It's a Teddy Boy family. Rock, rock. Who's there? Rock and roll's like food, we never get enough. 100 for more dicks, and on stage we are so tough. Well, the airplanes and the buses, they take us from town to town. Traveling on our way back home, we still rock around. Well, it's a Teddy Boy family. It's a Teddy Boy family.